Okay, the first thing we want to look at today is when can a graph under given stipulations be constructed. So, degree sequence. Of vertex degrees. Usually written so the usual convention is you write them in monotone decreasing order. So the first thing we want to look at is let sequence of non-negative integers. Then there exists graph G with is even. This condition is clearly necessary, we have seen that already. You require that degrees add to an even number because every edge contributes 2 to each one of its endpoints. So, condition is necessary. Two times it is also sufficient. Is that okay? 2 times the number of edges is equal to sum of all the degrees. Let be even. Then number of DIs that have that are odd will be an even number. Why is that? Because if the sum is to be even, then the number of summates that are odd each is an even number. So let A be the set of all odd ones. You want Vi to have degree Di. pair up these vertices, pair up the vertices in A. So suppose there are 10 vertices here, form 5 pairs, okay. Remaining things you just fill them with loops. So remaining things are easy. All the remaining edges are requisite number of loops.